Good morning, everyone. We finally come out of the deep freeze. It's a whopping 20 degrees. Good morning, Katie. Don't you heal me. Poor chickens have been locked in here for 5 days. Gonna open up their doors today. Get them out, turn off a few of their heaters. Make sure they're all still standing. Good morning, girls. How are you guys? Huh? How are you guys? You need more water? Yeah? Think I can unplug one of the heaters? Right? Okay. Well, the dogs like to eat chicken food. They eat everything out here. My vet sometimes asks, what kind of treats do you give your dogs? And I say, chicken poo, horse poo, cat poo, chicken food, horse grain, whatever they find on the ground. Something dead in the pasture. You know, they're ranch dogs. That's what they do. Good morning, girls. Good morning, sweet babies. I'm going to expand my little flocks this next spring. These girls are getting old. I don't have many because when they're laying, it's enough eggs for me, and sometimes I can give away a few, but I like being able to give away eggs. That's always fun. So I'm going to expand my flock. All right, on to the next task. I'm getting kitty help this morning. Yeah, you helping, Millie? Is there Mises in there? You better get him. Oh, and here comes Kate. Oh, and Boo Bell. Okay, you guys gotta back up. I gotta get this. Get back, Bell. Whoop. These things are up high, so I use a pitchfork to get them down. All right. Oh, what did you do? Did you get up there? Belly, can you get up there? What are you doing? What are you guys doing up there? What's up there? Huh, Boo Bell? Oh, Booey. Booey. Oh, there's Katie, and she goes, look, I got my ball all the way up here. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, really? You and that jolly ball. That's a horse toy that she has destroyed, but she loves it to pieces. Okay, I gotta get busy. All of you. Look at Millie's face. Millie. I like to say, Newman. Oh my goodness, she's got her ball all the way up. You guys. All right, you're not helping me, you're distracting me. You guys have to help me. I only got 45 minutes and then I have to go into town. I'm helping my 95-year-old dad find assisted living. It's a little bit of a stressful time for us right now. Thank goodness I have these guys to lighten the load a bit. Huh, Booey? Boo Bell. Hey, Doo-Doo. What a good girl. What a good girl. Who's the greatest of all time? Oh, and you're a pipsqueak. Okay, next task. Well, blankets are off. It's supposed to get up into the 40s today, which is warm for where we've been. So they're turned out and eating in pasture. A lot of times I feed them in their stalls, but since I'm leaving today, I want them out so they can roam around. This is my north. It's just 5 acres. And then where my house sits, and that pasture over there is another 5 acres. So it's 10 acres total. It's not much, but it's fine. All right, guys, on to the next task. Of course, I'm having help. So this is what I like to call the warm cat room, but it's also my tack room. I have a lot of stuff in my horse trailer. Grooming station, bridles, bits, show halters. This is my medicine cabinet. And for those of you who wonder, you do not call a vet every time your horse has an issue. When you live in the country and you've been with horses as long as I have, you do most of your own medical unless it's something very serious. So you are prepared. A lot of times I run down to this medical cabinet and grab things for myself because my horses are better stocked. Yeah. I gotta go through that and make sure nothing's expired. There's Donald. Good morning, Donald. We're warming up in here before our next task. Donald's begging for treats. Katie's just spoiled. Yeah. Yeah, she talks. Yeah, and Bell's my loyal baby. All right, on to the next task. What's funny is my mare Luna hangs her butt out her stall door and does all her pooping out here. She doesn't like to have poop in here. I appreciate that. It makes it easier to clean. Horses are It's a bit cold, but it's not bad. So I'm gonna pick some poo. It's frozen. It's like picking rocks. Let me tell you. But if you don't pick it, it's like the horses are standing on rocks. So they gotta have at least one clean, dry place when it snows and it's cold, and then it melts and it's muddy. And so it is in Colorado. You kind of have to be prepared for anything, you know? Where do you guys live? Put it in the comments. Tell me where you live. Do you have a farm? Do you wish you had a farm? How about horses or healers? Anybody got those? Cats? I'm going to start sharing more of myself on here. Why not, right? Everybody else does. Maybe little at a time, huh? So, for those of you wondering, I'm a retired industrial engineer. I have a minor in plastics engineering. I did most of, or all of my work in California up until 15 years ago. And then we moved out here to be closer to my dad when my mom passed away. And I bought this farm at a deal. And it's about 45 minutes out of kind of the next major town. The population of my little town is 243. Huh. So here I am. I happily pick stalls. It's very zen for me. It's very calming. I like doing it. I do it every day. So that's me. I'll give you more later. I hope you watch my videos, like and subscribe. I'm trying to maybe get enough subscribers so I can pay for some improvements on this place. I've got, not even improvements, repairs. I've got a lot of repairs. Colorado is very hard on buildings. It's hard on people. You gotta be tough to be here. So, like and subscribe. I'll catch you later. Till next time. Say bye-bye to the pups. Crazy pups. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh. All right, easy, Kate. Katie. Sometimes Katie gets a little spicy. She's just a puppy healer. We'll forgive her for a little bit. Well, I've done as much chores as I can. I got to get ready to go to town. It takes me about 45 minutes to go to town. I've got a meeting, and then I need to see my dad. And then I'll come back and do more chores. I don't know if I'll film that or not. I'll probably be too tired and having to get things done. But it's supposed to warm up. It's a little gray. Hopefully it'll get sunny. Everybody have a great day. Yeah, Belle says have a great day too. So, till next time.